Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this integral problem, right? So let's evaluate this. So I know that e to the I5 is minus 1, right? So I can plug that here. So 0 to 1 minus 1 is e to the I5 to the power x dx. This is equals to 0 to 1 e to the I5 x dx, right? So this is e to the I5 over I5. Limits are from I5x, limits are from 0 to 1. So I can plot the limits. E to the I5 1 minus e, the I5 is a constant, e to the I5 0. E to the I5 0 is e to the 0. E to the 0 is 1. E to the 0 is 1. So e to the I5 minus 1 over I5. This is what I know, that e to the I5 is minus 1 over I5, which is minus 2 over I5, right? Now I am going to multiply both up and down by I, then minus 2I over I square equals 5 times 5. This is equals to minus 2I over minus 5, which is 2 over 5I. So this is the answer. So the integration of 0 to 1 minus 1 x dx is equals to 2 over 5 I, which is a imaginary number. So I hope you guys understood this problem. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.